from Bendigo, Victoria, has quarantined already. Previous state manager for the athletes, for Athlete's Foot, and he gave me the confidence to quit my job. This did, ladies and gentlemen, to challenge himself mentally and to see how far he could go, push himself, and also get a beach body ready for summer. Doing the same warm-up 5 times a week for 12 weeks has been a routine as he had come accustomed to. So let's get to mortal on the beers tonight that we forget we even won a fight. Make some noise for the Bendigo brawler, Shay Hare. Oh, come on with the noise, people. Let's make some noise up in here.
Well, a very good evening and welcome to Corporate Fighter in 2020. We never thought we'd get here. Hurdles, setbacks, restrictions, you name it, we have had it in a year that most people would want to forget. Ladies and gentlemen, a new venue, a new era for Corporate Fighter. We are under lights here at the beautiful Luna Park in Sydney, Australia.
He's from Fitzroy in Victoria. His employment is Colliers International. The reason to do this was to shape up for his wedding. He has a wedding coming up. Yay. Slash my beer expenditure. Get out of my comfort zone, meet new people, and come away with a great story. Okay, the toughest part of training between having to break down the mental barriers and the burpees, I'd say it's a dead heat. Burpees absolutely suck. Thanks for helping me make it here tonight. I look forward to cracking a few tinnies after the 3rd round. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing from the white corner, the Word, Robert Word.
So we're about set to start in this first bout. It is the Bendigo brawler in Shay. He is in the black shorts. And the man about to come to the ring, the Word, Robert Bird. Of course, he hails from Fitzroy in Victoria. And his message to his opponent is thanks for helping me make it here tonight. He looks forward to cracking a few tinnies after the 3 rounds. John O'Farr is my name, your match day caller. We are ready to go. 12 fights to come on the night under lights here at Luna Park.
Anyway, coming up 3 2-minute rounds. When the bell rings, the action gets underway. Bout number 1.
So both fighters just getting ready, in Hare in the black and Bird in the white. What a night of boxing this promises to be. 12 fights, that means 24 people from around the globe are challenging themselves like never before in a year that we've never seen before. Good sized crowd in attendance, of course, heeding to COVID restrictions, staying seated, keeping the 1.5 metre rule. We are ready to go. This is Corporate Fighter in 2020. The referee just giving his final instructions to both opponents. What a great start from Jimmy White, the MC. Got us pumped up and ready to go for tonight's proceeding.
Here we go. Corporate Fighter 51, round 1.
So here we go. Both fighters touch gloves and away we go. Nice little start there from Bird. Just working out the combinations on the midsection. Hare comes back at him. Nice little start there from Bird. Good combinations there from Hare, just settling himself. Bird working the corner nicely. Starting to lift in intensity a little bit in this opening round. Both fighters just going through the softening up period at the moment. Nice little combination there from Bird. Hare now starts to respond. Hare now comes back. Hare just getting the upper hand at the moment, but you can see Bird really working it nicely. Hare just a little left jab, nice little right combinations there. Good work to the midsection from Hare. Bird responding, just trying to stop this onslaught. Opening stanza of this fight. Plenty of noise in the room here at Luna Park as Hare just continues to lift this intensity. Settling the pace pretty well. Bird just working out his next move as he works into the corner. Now trying to work the midsection. Both fighters have been giving up the drink. Cut back on the sugars. Plenty of exercise. It's been a challenging year for all the fighters with all the restrictions. His Hare now just settles himself nicely. Bird starting to work back, but Hare really just working those combinations to the head of Bird. Nice little duck there from Bird. Final seconds of the opening round. Good midsection work there from Bird, and there's the bell for the first. Nice start from both fighters. Hare just had the upper hand, I reckon. Just sort of working his way around the ring, trying to tire out Robert Bird. Let's tell you a little bit about these two fighters. The Bendigo Brawler comes, of course, from Bendigo. He was a former state manager for the Athlete's Foot, and gave him the confidence to quit his job and join this 12-week program. The reason for joining Corporate Fighter was to challenge himself mentally, see how far he could push himself, and to get the beach body ready for summer, which is now only 5 days old. And the restrictions have eased, so we can do a little bit more in this country, which is fantastic news. And the word Robert Bird, he hails from Fitzroy in Victoria, works at Collier's International. And the reason he wanted to take up this one was to shape up for his wedding and slash my beer expenditure and get out of his comfort zone. So we're about to start in round two. Hare now starting nicely. Nice combinations there from him. Bird is just trying to work out where to put him in the ring, and now Bird is starting to come back. The Bendigo Brawler starting to lift here just a touch. Nice little size up there from Hare. Trying to tire out Bird, but Bird is copping the onslaught pretty well. An uppercut there from Bird. Hare now again working the head, now working the midsection. The intensity starting to lift. You can see a touch there from Hare in the black shorts. Nice work from Bird. Now Hare comes back at him. Good low shot. Nice little right and left. That hurt Bird. Bird now starting to cop it there just a little bit. He's got his hands up, as you can see. Needs to get himself back in this one. Plenty of energy being expelled from Hare as he comes at Bird. Bird now just trying to work back from this. Nice little swinging right there from Hare. He works the body nicely. Bird just again pushes off the onslaught. Little call from the referee to say just get the punches a little bit higher as Hare now tries to work something out with Bird midway through this second round. You'll see the intensity really lift the back end of this round. Nice little work there from Bird to respond. Got him on the ropes a touch. That one might have rattled Hare a little bit from Bird. And Robert Bird now just trying to get himself back in this one. Hare just tiring a little bit. Might have used a little too much energy in the opening stanza of this second round.
10 seconds.
Final seconds of the round as Hare just trying to get as much energy as he can. Bird starting to bounce back. There's the bell for the second round. 1 to go. Great fight so far. Now, if you're watching tonight's coverage, and thank you firstly for doing so, if you'd love to join, why not recruit now? Get involved. 25% off your entry fee when you sign up for the next session, and that starts on the 11th of January next year. It includes 12 weeks of training plus your kit bag. Now, normally it's $795, but tonight and tonight only is $596.25. So a big saving there. Use the code FIGHTREADY25. FIGHTREADY25 is the code. Sign up today, corporatefighter.com.au. 12 weeks, you can go as hard as you like. You can do as much as you like or as little as you like. And get yourself fight and fit ready for one of these fight nights. We've got a few planned in early 2021 already. 2 planned next weekend, Friday and Saturday here at Luna Park. Really looking forward to those. But what a night and what a start already to this one. And Hare is really lifting the intensity, and Bird is now starting to dance him around the ring. Working the midsection beautifully. Bird, Hare's now starting to come back. Bird has timed his run pretty well here. Hare is really starting to get the Fists of Fury going. But Bird is saying, not on my watch. Now he's got him in the corner. Smart work there from Robert Bird. But the Bendigo Brawler is starting to really lift here. Great intensity from both fighters. Hare starting to just lift a touch. But Bird, he's really come of age in this final round. He's got Hare in the corner. Referee just saying, just keep the flat punches going, boys. Not hit with the wrists. Nice work there from Hare. That's great combinations from him. Little swing there. Bird trying his best to stop the onslaught. Now Bird comes back at him. Has him on the ropes a little bit. Referee controls things nicely. Great body work there from Hare. But Bird responds beautifully. Nice work from him. Hare starting to tire a little. Be interesting to see if Bird can lift here in the final moments of this final round. Both fighters, you can really see the pressure of the event getting to them. Nice work from Bird. Hare now starting to come back. That was strong and tough from Hare. Really lifting beautifully in the final moments. Bird's just holding off the onslaught at the moment, trying to get those uppercuts. Nice little side punch. Strong start already from both these fighters. Hare he was dangling on the ropes there. Final moments of the round. Crowd getting behind these fighters. Making plenty of noise as you can hear it. And there's the bell. Great fighter and great respect shown between two fighters. Shay Hare in the black and Robert Bird in the white. What a start to Corporate Fighter Fight Night 51.
Yes, 3 rounds of action, bout number 1. 11 to go. Corporate Fighter 51, thank you so much for coming and supporting tonight's action. Each and every fighter and trainer has put in the work, the hard work, blood, sweat, and tears to entertain each and every one of you. Thank you to our coaches. We got the judges' scorecards. And ladies and gentlemen, as soon as you stand up, please make sure you sit down immediately after that. Thank you. That's just the rule. It's really up in the atmosphere. When you sit down, you're good. All right. Whew. We wait for the judges' scorecards. If you feel you'd like to do this in January, sign up now. Please don't let fear stop you. I'm just saying, just grab those nuts and get in there for 12 weeks. And you'll enjoy this. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, give it up for the coaches and their fighters tonight. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. That way, up the top. Ah, the red light. Yeah, thanks, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up, boys, please. Play, please. Oh, come on, make some noise. Our winner, unanimously from the black corner, Shay, the Bendigo Brawler, Hare.
Well, a great start to the night. The Bendigo Brawler in the black shorts picks up the win. But a great final round there from Robert Bird.